Gibson USA utilizes the revolutionary Plex system, a computer-controlled robotic machine that carefully measures and dresses each fret, accurately measuring the height between the fingerboard and each string, virtually eliminating string buzz and providing unbeatable playability. The Gibson USA Plex process begins with affixing headstock and body adapters to the guitar prior to placement in the external string tension simulation device. The STS is capable of simulating the tension of guitar strings, an important first step. With a computer-controlled pneumatic procedure, a defined string tension is produced for each individual neck. The guitar reacts as if it were strung up, and the data is stored. The guitar is taken out of the external STS and placed into the Plex machine. The scanning module consists of a sensor finger combined with a high-resolution magnetic linear encoder. This sensor is able to measure all relevant parameters of a guitar's playability: action, fretboard relief, fretboard contour, fret height, fret spacing, as well as nut details. The scan generates graphic images, complete with extensive dimensional data of all the parameters. It allows you to choose and view any aspect of the neck, frets, and strings in detail while providing measurements of everything. The technician can then do a virtual fret dress on the computer monitor, applying any of the usual preferences and styles that go into an ideal fret dress for that instrument. Once the appropriate template is selected, the parameters in the virtual fret dress menu are set and processing starts. Under simulated string tension, the frets are cut using a specially manufactured carbide cutting wheel, contoured for cutting the fret height as well as rounding the fret crown. The teeth of the cutter have the profile of the frets in negative form, so that the frets are crowned evenly to a tolerance of 1/100th millimeters. After the frets are dressed, the Plex second cutting module, a high-frequency motor spindle, is used for cutting nut string slots. The HFS can cut a perfectly calibrated nut slot for even the smallest string gauge. All nut slot specs are fully adjustable in 3 dimensions precisely referenced to the fret plane. When frets and nut have been processed, the instrument is plecked. While the original goal of the Plex was to eliminate fret buzz, many players have reported that plecked instruments actually sound better. Since the fret plane contour is calculated to be the optimum shape and the frets are precisely leveled, the player has a better note-to-noise ratio. A plecked guitar from Gibson USA feels better, plays better, and sounds better.